Hello, thank you for choosing the Legacy 4. This video will walk you through how to operate your remote control. We want you to fully enjoy your massage experience and relax like royalty. Let's get accommodated with the layout of the remote control. In the center of the remote is where you'll find the direction dial. The center circle allows you to make selections, while the up, down, right, left buttons move you through the remote interface. The power button turns on and off the massage chair. The menu button will take you to the main menu options. Pressing the menu button once will take you back to a previous screen. Pressing the menu button twice will always take you back to the main screen. The 3D massage button adjusts the intensity of the 3D massage rollers. There are 5 levels of intensity. The feet adjust, back adjust, and feet extend buttons make adjustments to your chair. The auto button is a shortcut to directly open the menu for the automatic programs. Up, down, adjust buttons make roller adjustments in the manual mode. There are 9 main menu options: Auto, Manual, 3D Massage, Airbag, Heat, Zero Gravity, Tapping Off, and Settings. To access the automatic programs, use a direction dial to select the Auto menu and press OK to select it. The Legacy 4 comes with 9 automatic massage programs: Recovery, Extend, Relax, Refresh, Upper Body, Lower Body, Royal Treatment, Stress Relief, and Gentle Care. Use the left, right, up and down buttons on the direction dial to select the automatic program of your choice. Once the chair has scanned your body, you can cycle through the automatic programs by pressing the Auto button until you see the massage program of your choice. To create your own customized massage experience, use the manual mode. Press the menu button and select Manual. In the manual menu, there are submenus: Mode, Part, Width, Speed, and Roller. In the Mode option, you can select your desired massage type. You can choose from kneading, tapping, knocking, shiatsu, sync, and rhythm. Kneading has an additional submenu where you can select kneading up or kneading down. Rhythm mode will sync the movement of the massage roller to any audio playing through the massage chair via Bluetooth. Part controls the location of the massage rollers on your back. There are 3 options: whole, partial, and point. When you select a massage mode, the default option is whole, which covers the whole of your back and buttocks area. To focus on a small area, use the partial mode by selecting the partial option. For this example, we'll choose tapping. Use the up, down, adjust buttons to adjust the roller's location. You can see the location of the rollers by looking at the green circle on the LED screen. The rollers will move up and down a few inches in that selected area. To isolate just one point on your back, select the point option. Use the up, down, adjust buttons to adjust the roller's locations. You can adjust the width of the massage rollers by selecting the width option. You can choose from wide to narrow. To adjust the speed of the massage rollers, select the speed option. You can choose from 6 levels of speed. You can turn on or off or control the intensity of the foot rollers by selecting the roller option. There are 3 levels of intensity to choose from. Use the direction dial to select 3D Massage. In the 3D Massage menu, there are 2 submenus: Mode and Force. The Legacy 4 comes with 3D automatic programs. You'll find this in the Mode menu. You can choose from Deep Shiatsu, Breathe, and Revive. When in a 3D auto program, you cannot change the roller force. In the Force menu, you can control the strength of the 3D rollers when you are in any of the regular automatic massage modes or in a manual massage mode. You can choose from 5 levels of force. Airbag Massage mode can be used on its own or with your customized massage mode. Select the Airbag option. The Airbag menu has two submenus, Part and Force. Select Part to isolate the airbags to a desired body part. You can select from full, arms and shoulders, legs and feet, or buttocks. You can also select more than one part at a time. To adjust the intensity of the airbags, select Force. There are 5 levels of force to choose from. You can also turn off the airbags during a massage program by selecting the Off option. For heat therapy, you can turn on and off the heat by selecting the Heat option. The red heat icon will appear when the heater is on. The Legacy 4 comes with 2 zero-gravity positions. Select Zero Gravity. In the Zero Gravity menu, use a direction dial to select the zero gravity position of your choice. During any of the massage programs, if you would like to turn the tapping off but keep the rest of the massage program going, you can use the Tapping Off function. Select Tapping Off. Here you can turn the tapping on or off. In the Settings menu, you can set the length of time for each massage, the language on the display, the Bluetooth option, and the stretch intensity. To adjust the length of time of each massage, select the Time option. You can set your massage from 10, 20, or 30 minutes. To change the display language on the remote, select the Language option. Here you can choose your desired language choice. To connect a Bluetooth device to the chair like a phone or tablet, select the Bluetooth option. Here you can turn on or off the Bluetooth receiver. With the receiver on, follow your device's instructions to pair the device to your chair. Select Stretch to set the stretch intensity. Choose from gentle, medium, or strong. For any massage mode, including the automatic programs, you can adjust the position of the backrest, footrest, and foot extension. You also have the option of just using the chair as a recliner. All the chair adjustment buttons are located on the bottom of the remote. The feet adjust buttons adjust the height of the footrest, while the back adjust buttons adjust the position of the backrest. The foot extension buttons slide the footrest in and out to adjust the chair for users of any height. The 3D button is a shortcut to adjust the strength of the 3D rollers when you are in any of the regular automatic massage mode or in the manual massage mode. You can choose from 5 levels of force. All of our Daiwa chairs are programmed to stay in the reclined position after your massage is completed. We programmed our chairs this way because we want our customers to have the option of falling asleep after a massage. When your massage is completed, the remote will reset. Press the power button after the remote is done resetting to make any chair adjustments. You can adjust the chair position by pressing the chair adjustment buttons to your desired position. You can also return the chair to the sitting position by pressing the power button again. We hope you enjoy the Legacy 4 and relax like royalty.